Wow, look at how pretty. That's right, represent, represent. And this is the menu. So this particular day, we went to this food truck. It's right across the street from Aldi's. And I always see it there. And this time I told my husband, let's go over there. Let's buy some food. I'm curious. I want to taste it. And that's what we did. So that's the way the truck looks. Look at those pilones. Beautiful, beautiful. I love the fact that the truck is different, has food, pictures there, makes you hungry. El Platanero restaurant. I must say the food was very, very, very good. They make it right there. So me and my husband had to wait at least like 15 minutes. Anyhow, look at this. Oh, God. Editing it just makes me want to go over there tomorrow. Okay, no, I got a lot of things to do tomorrow. But the food was very delicious, fresh. It had a very good flavor. It wasn't salty. It wasn't bland. It was just perfect. I enjoyed it very much, and so did my husband. So yeah, this is just a video showing you the food that we ate. And since this is a food related channel, I wanted to share with you. So I hope you all have a lovely day. Take care. God bless. I will see you in the next video. Bye.